I'm in a warehouse filled with wheels here at Rolling Big Power. The Roulette, it's new for 2018. A cast wheel? You're gonna love what you see. Let me pull this out for you. Stick around. Take a look at this. This is the 76R Roulette. It's brand new for 2018.
It is.
This is a great wheel. I mean, I've seen a lot of people online talking about this. I mean, you know, of course, the look is customizable.
Of course.
But here's the thing that I noticed that really blew me away. It comes in 11 bolt patterns. That basically means anything you can put this on.
Yep, exactly. And if you're doing some weird custom Dana 60 axle swap, we can actually drill for those too.
See, that's the cool thing. It comes in two sizes, 22 by 12 and 20 by 12.
Yep.
This comes in two colors, black and of course chrome.
Yep.
And you know, if you look closely at the front, that whole front section comes out so you can custom paint all the inserts and stuff.
Yes, one of the things that our customers love is the custom painting options. Custom powder coating, we can literally do almost endless options. And the center cap is it comes apart in 3 pieces. So the center star, as well as all of the rivets are custom paintable. So you literally, your imagination is what we can do.
We're getting all the details today because Kelly Ash is not only the VP and General Manager of Rolling Big Power, you're also an engineer and an ASE certified master mechanic, not just a regular one, the master. But the cool thing about, you know, talking to you is you always have this story behind the story. Now, this is a cast aluminum wheel.
It is.
Let's talk about that process and the aluminum and the things you've put together to make this different.
Yes, exactly. So, you know, casting is basically pouring aluminum into a mold, right? And we kind of think of a wheel is a wheel is a wheel. They're all the same, right? It's not exactly true. What we do here at RBP is we only really do the best of the best. So we include more virgin aluminum in our molds rather than recycled aluminum because that improves structural integrity of the wheel, and we don't want to compromise quality at all.
Now, speaking of that, this wheel has a lifetime structural warranty, right?
All of our wheels do.
That's amazing.
Yep, exactly. And if you have a super heavy truck or you're doing a custom truck option, the best part about how we manufacture the wheel is it can haul a heavy, heavy load. So each wheel that we make, no matter if it's a 17 up to a 24 in our cast wheels, can load or can handle a load up to 3,200 pounds a wheel.
If you can load it up over 3,200 pounds a wheel, we've got a whole nother video for you. That is amazing. That is truly amazing technology in a cast wheel. You definitely want to check this out. Go to the website right now, find the wheel for you at rollingbigpower.com. And while you're there, don't forget to see if you qualify for the swag pack.
Yes.
Everybody's talking about this. You know the details. What do you got in that pack?
Yes, with every set of wheels that you buy, no matter what size, what finish, anything, you get a swag pack from us. And that includes some stainless steel badging, lanyards, decals, small accessories. You get an RBP hat, of course, as well as you get a Turvis tumbler or a Yeti tumbler. And then you also get a registration card. So you can send us your size and color for your t-shirt or your hoodie.
That's why everybody's been talking about it. Find it right now, see if you qualify. Go check out these amazing roulette wheels. You can see all the details in the application that's just right for you at rollingbigpower.com.